In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Interactive IL in Tradingview. Let's get started right from the Tradingview homepage. Open your browser and go to the Tradingview website. Once you're there, you want to move into the charting area, since that's where all the broker connections live. At the top of the page, look for the option that takes you to the main charting interface, often called the chart or supercharts. Click that, and Tradingview will load a full-size chart with all your tools and panels around it. Give it a moment to load, especially if it's your first time opening it, because it may need to pull in your default layout and data. With the chart now open, your next move is to access the trading panel. This is the section where you connect brokers and manage live trading. Look toward the bottom of the screen for a tab or button labeled Trading Panel. Click on it, and a panel will slide up from the bottom, showing a grid of available brokers and trading services. Sometimes, Tradingview only shows a limited list at first. To make sure you see every available option, look for a link or button that says Show All Brokers. Click that. This expands the full broker list and ensures that Interactive IL will appear if it's supported for your region and account type. Now that the full list is visible, use the search box within the trading panel to quickly find Interactive IL. Click into the search field and start typing Interactive IL. As you type, the list will automatically filter down. When you see Interactive IL appear in the results, you'll know you're in the right place. The final step is to connect. Click on the Interactive IL option in the list. Tradingview will open a small connection window or dialog. Here, you'll typically be asked to log in to your Interactive IL account or authorize the connection. Carefully follow the prompts on screen and make sure you're using your official secure credentials. Once you complete the login or authorization, Tradingview should confirm that the connection is successful, and you'll see Interactive IL listed as connected in your trading panel. At this point, your Interactive IL account is linked to Tradingview, and you can start placing trades directly from your charts, managing positions, and taking advantage of Tradingview's tools with your live brokerage connection.